Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. Today's video is the continuation of the previous video on functions in which we solved the three questions. We started with the basic level and now we are going towards advanced level of the questions. So this is from the syllabus of year 11, right, of different boards. So let's continue with this question now. Function g of x is given to you, which is 4x minus 1. And you have to find out g of x plus 1 divided by 4. So it means in place of this x, now you will write what? X plus 1 divided by 4. And similarly, this x will also be replaced by the same. So what it will become? Let's see. G of x plus 1 upon 4 equals to 4 times. Now this x will be replaced by x plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So now what will happen? This will cancel with this and you are left with x plus 1 minus 1, which is equals to x. Okay. Let's see this question. Two functions are given to you here. H of x is equals to 2 power x and f of x is equals to x upon 4 minus 3. And you have to find out the value of x when h of x is equals to f of 13. So f of x, let me write down it here again. H of x is equals to f of 13. So h of x is this function. So in place of it, I will write down the function. You can see from here, hx is equals to 2 power x. And now f of x is given here. So f of 13 mean here 13 will come. Agreed? So it will be 13 upon 4 minus 3. So now I will simplify the right hand side. So it is 2 power x as it is. There is no denominator, it means it is 1. Simple things, simple numbers, simple calculation you should be able to do without calculator. So if I multiply both by 4, it will become 13 minus 12 upon 4. So it is 2 power x equals to 1 upon 4. Now tell me, anything comes in your mind? What you will do from here? You remember we studied one thing, and that is if you have two index number which have same base, then powers are equated. So this 1 upon 4 which is here, can you change it into base 2 somehow? Let's see. So it was 2 power x is equals to 1 upon 2 square, because that is equals to 4. I'm trying to make base 2, right? This is called base. So now applying law of indices, I will take this number in the numerator. It will become 2 power minus 2. You know that thing. You know law of indices. So now bases are same. This means I can equate the powers. So x is equals to minus 2. Now let's see this one. Question number 6, which is the last question. It has two parts. So h of x is equals to 2 power x given to you. And this is you have to solve. So to solve this, you need to find out what is h inverse x. And I will also tell you another way of solving it without finding h inverse x. Okay. So let's see, we can find h inverse x easily or not. Okay. So this is my function h of x. We know when we have to find inverse function, we put the function equals to y. You know that thing. Okay. So now from here, either you apply log, and at this point you don't know log. So what you can do? It is little complicated at this point. So what is the other way I can do it? Okay, let's see the other way. You must know the very basic concept of function and inverse function. That is, let me tell you here. If, for example, my function has value a, then its inverse function can have that output which will give me the same input. This is the relation between them. Okay, whatever the value you are substituting in the function, and the result you are getting, which is called image, this is called domain. Then in the inverse function, if you take the domain, which is actually the range of the function, then the answer will be this domain. So I can say that my answer xa will become ax. I will apply that concept here. So I can rewrite it and I can say h of 0.5 is equals to x. You get my point, what I have done here? Whatever is the domain of h inverse x will be the output of the function h. And what was the output will become the input. So now h we already know from here. Okay, so I can write here 2 power 0.5. Why I'm doing this? Because h of x is equals to 2 power x. So now when this is 0.5, it means this will become 0.5. Okay, so now it is 0.5 is what? Half, and half mean it is root 2. So this is how easily you can find out the value. So please remember this function, this important, very important concept, and that is, if your function is like this, then your inverse function will replace domain by range and range by domain. And this is the concept I am applying. Last question. I have to find the value of k for this equation. Now h of x we know from here. H of x is equals to 2 power x. We have seen here. Okay. H of x is equals to 2 power x. So I will replace here h of x by 2 power x. So again, I will apply law of indices here, and I will take this 2 power x in the numerator, and it will become 2 power minus x. This is according to law of indices. Now bases are same, so I can equate the powers. Because I have to find the value of k, so I will simply divide it by x. So what is my value of k? Minus 1. This will cancel. So this is how you will solve complicated question, and you will make it very easy with your understanding. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.